Dear fellow Rotarians, I would like to take this opportunity, with the permission of our lovely DG, to honor a few people in this success journey called Carols and Carnivals. Friends, as I told you, way back in 2011, this idea generated or germinated from our parent club member, Manoj Jones from Cochin East. This idea was put on to our own lovely member, Baiju KS, who in turn put it across to our then president, Bentley, and the secretary, Tommy. All three of them, ensured the fact that it had, wings spread across. But then there was one problem. What will happen to the finances for it? And let me tell you this. Our honorary member, Mary Mac, funded us this via our past president, Sri Jairaj TS. Then we should also not forget one more individual who is Kamal, who was then working for Times of India. Kamal Krishan, along with Mary Mac's money, gave wigs to our Carols and Carnivals. Along with the first chairman of Carols and Carnivals, Dennis, all of them put together ensured the fact that the runway was smooth. And that is how the Carols and Carnivals took off in 2011. So I would like to take this opportunity to call upon to the stage Sri Baiju KS, you're here. He is a guy who was instrumental in this. The then President Bentley, lovely Tommy.
Tommy Joseph,
Please
come on stage.
The then Chairman Dennis. I call him the Dennis the Menace. Are
Dennis?
you here? Please come on to the stage. Sri Jairaj TS. Please come on to the stage. Kamal is unfortunately not here. So I would love to invite his better half, Tessa, onto the stage. Friends, right from the day one of Carols and Carnivals, there was one individual who very silently was operating as far as conducting the whole thing, plus very silently curating the whole fact by bringing in good revenues. Even today, he is the guy who has brought in the maximum this year as far as revenue is concerned. Put your hands together to Jacob Chirian, our DG, our DRFC, and our Tejas. Please give it out to them, friends, because of them, Carols and Carnivals is here.
Please put your hands together. Baiju KS.
Bentley was the then president, always a strong supporter of Rotary Club of Cochin City.
Please put your hands together for Tommy Joseph.
First chairman, Dennis. Mr. Jairaj TS.
Jairaj has been instrumental in this. Please put your hands together for Jairaj TS.
Our lovely Tessa, please, representing Kamal. So Kamal was then heading Times of India. You know him, right?
Kamal's wife is Tessa, so please put your hands together for her.
The next I wouldn't call Sachin Tendulkar, but then he's the Dravid of our club, Jacob Chirian. In terms of the way he has contributed to our club. Now, a small thing. To this gentleman, okay, who for the past 2-3 months നമ്മൾ പറയത്തില്ലേ കിളി പോയി നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരുന്ന ഒരു വ്യക്തി, കാരൽസ് ആൻഡ് കാർണിവൽസ് ഇന്നത്തെ തീയതി വരെ കാണാത്തൊരു വ്യക്തി, പക്ഷേ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ചെയർമാനാണ്. അവർ ഓൺ നന്ദൻ വയ്യാണ്ടായി പാവത്തിന്.
Nandu, you deserve this.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to the team
Lovely.
on stage.
ധാവായി മണ്ണും നീരേഴും കാക്കും ഇരുൾനാഥനേ.
3205 ആദ്യത്തെ കോൺഫറൻസ് ആണ് റിനേസൻസ് സിയാൽ കൺവെൻഷൻ സെന്ററിൽ 21-22 ഫെബ്രുവരി 2026 ഇത് നടക്കുന്നത്. ഇത്തവണ സ്പെഷ്യൽ എൻട്രീസ് പലതാണ്. ആൻസിന് സ്പെഷ്യൽ എൻട്രി ഉണ്ട്, റോട്രാക്ടേഴ്സിന് സ്പെഷ്യൽ എൻട്രി ഉണ്ട്, സാമിയോ എൻട്രി ഉണ്ട്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഇത് വിജയകരമാക്കണം. രജിസ്ട്രേഷൻ ആണ് ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ്. ഒരു കാര്യം അഷ്വർ ചെയ്യും, ഇതൊരു ഉത്സവമായിരിക്കും, ഇതൊരു അടിപൊളി കോൺഫറൻസ് ആയിരിക്കും, എന്റർടൈനിങ് ആയിരിക്കും, എൻഗേജിങ് ആയിരിക്കും.
എംപുരാനേ, 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 എംപുരാനേ.